it's Christine. It's day 24 of 30 Days of Sketches with beautiful Christy's Beautiful Life series. I can't talk this morning, y'all. It is early. Series 21. This one's by Lisa Marie. And she's got a vertical photo with a hidden journaling, 2 horizontal photos, and she's got these nice hexagons going in a diagonal, which I love diagonal, so that's exciting. A couple of embellishments. She's got the title in here. I'm going to switch mine up just a little bit because the photos I have are vertical, not horizontal. So I'm going to rotate mine like this. And I've got these 2 photos. It's basically when we were visiting my dad in the hospital. I believe this was 2023. I don't know. I have to double check the photo date on my phone. So there's those. And then my thought was for this, I'm going to put a journaling card because I'm using my Counterfeit kit, you guys. And let me just show you. I've been showing everybody. This is all I have left. I have these. This is cardstock. That's not technically my Counterfeit. If y'all can hear that noise, that is the dogs playing with puzzles, by the way. This is all I have left is these scraps. So I'm so impressed with myself. I'm trying not to break my own arm, pat myself on the back. But my thoughts are, I'll make the hexagons out of these patterns that I have. So I'll have to go through with my die. I'll have to go get my dies in a minute, my Big Shot. And then I went out, and since this is all I've got left, I pulled out a piece of base cardstock, and I went with yellow. Normally I do like white or black, but I've gone ahead and done this. And I may have to do, like, this is a bit bold. This may have to have like a piece of, maybe I'll do either black cardstock or white cardstock mats of these, because she does show mats. So I'm gonna make my hexagons and see how I feel about it at that point. And I've got these flowers here, so I may use these where she's got those shown. So that's where I'm at. I do still have like these little bits of embellishments. I have to think about how I'm going to title it. I want to say Visits with Daddy, so I'll have to go get some fonts. I have some fonts that I'll probably snag because I have nothing left that works. I mean, I've got Happy, which is fine. I was happy to see him, but that's not really the title I want. And then Snapshots of Our Life. That could be like a subtitle. But anyway, let me go get my dies and cut my hexagons. And then I'm going to figure out what I want to do for the mat, either black or white. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys, really quick check-in. I have mounted my photos on photo mats, and I cut off 9 little hexagons because I counted 9 little shapes. Now, I don't know. I don't have the same size, so we'll see if this actually works. Obviously, with these ones, I could cut pieces if I need to. But let's just kind of puzzle piece it together here. Let's see. I feel like it's got to go over here. I don't want to sit here and make you spend a lot of time watching me, but let's see. Oh, wait. It's supposed to go with the heart or the diagonal up like that. Yeah, I might have cut these a little too small, y'all. I hope not, because I don't really want to go back and cut more. I don't hate my Big Shot, but it's kind of clunky and it takes a lot of time to mess with. Okay, let's see. I may have to just puzzle piece the. You know what? Let's move these out of the way for a second, because I know I'm going to need, like, let's see. We'll do like that and that, because I can always cut. That. Actually, maybe I'm okay. Because that's up there like that. And then I need to come down. Actually, I'm going to do this because I kind of like to see the heart. And, I mean, technically that's supposed to go off. So maybe it is a little smaller, but we're just not going to worry about that. And then I'll have it something like this, I guess. There's wordy bits kind of behind the photos. Let me see where my photos end up. So like this would have to be like this. I feel like these got to come over some kind of way. Yeah, I'm going to have to adjust these because otherwise I won't see it. There we go. It's a little farther apart than I wanted. Let's see. If we come here, like I'm going to end up covering up my yellow. I guess that doesn't matter, does it? I can always bring my yellow down here. Or even kind of almost has to go here. But then I'm missing one here. I could cut that, but then that matches that. I feel like I need to, I don't want the two hearts touching. I mean, it's not like I can't cut something. Well, you know, I could put a flower there or something. Well, no, I kind of want, we'll do it like this, and then I'll put a flower there. It's fine. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So let me scooch this over. I kind of want my photos to be over just a tad. So, like that, let's call it. And I may bring it down a little bit. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Let me glue that down because I'm having to fast too much, and I'll be back on in a minute. Okay, you guys, I've got my hexagons glued down. I got my photos glued down, so now I'm going to start messing with my title here. And initially, I had just thought visits with Daddy, but after I start putting my letters down, I'm going to add the word my in there. I've definitely taken this a little different. I did not add any hidden journaling. I don't know if I should. I don't know. I mean, we were visiting a lot, so I guess I could have put that somewhere. I have a whole album about my daddy, so maybe I'll just have maybe I'll add some journaling on the back. I don't know. I should have probably done the hidden journaling she was talking about because I could have, and I didn't because I got distracted with gluing all the stuff down. So anyway, this little font here you can see it's an Amy Tangerine. I really like it. It's kind of tall and vertical. It's foam, so you can kind of move it around like you need to. And then this one here, it's American Crafts. I guess it's just a thickers. Has two different colors of the same font. I almost used the gold, and I thought, no, I like the black. So this just says visits with my daddy. And you can see in the photo, one was my husband talking to him. My daddy was talking. You can kind of tell he's talking all the time. So I'm actually going to add some washi stickers. That's not really shown on the sketch by any means, but you can add washi to the top of photos, and it don't have to be on a sketch. Here's these florals. Brutally honest, they're kind of watercolory, artsy-fartsy, so not 100% mood and feel with the hexagons. On the other hand, I think it offers an organic contrast to the hexagons, the geometry. So I think I do like it. I'll put foam underneath two of them. I'll put foam underneath with the little light colored pinky one and foam under the dark reddish one. The two purple will be down flat. I did a little sticker to the top. Purple one says, I love to. And here's where I got really frustrated. Y'all are going to see me get mad, y'all. There's these little washi stickers, and I pulled the one heart off and stuck it down. I thought, oh, shoot, I got to record. So then this little set here was a set of three kind of stuck together, and I was going to put those in the upper left. And I tore one, and then I'm trying to get this off, and it just kind of got all messed up. So you're going to see me kind of get mad and just go, just trash it. I just fart on it. I'm not going to do it. So I'm like, okay, well, now what? Because I don't have another heart up there, and I really wanted one. So then I've remembered that the other little sheet had the solid hearts, and that's a little easier to mess with than the outline ones. So I'm going to add some little solid hearts. Again, she didn't really show that on the sketch, but I just add a little something. I think this is where I maybe pull out the little washi stickers. One of them says a story to tell, because I got that one on the photo there where my dad's telling my husband a story. And then the other one I pull out, it says you make the world more colorful. And again, that's kind of just alluding to his stories that he was always telling. So I put that on the bottom of my photo with him. And then I'm going to decide to come in with the little polka dots. I decided I need to add a little something. I don't know. I feel like my hexagons might have been just a shade smaller, like maybe one size smaller than hers, because it didn't go, I think, as far as her hexagons kind of stretched in her diagonal. So I felt like I just had to add a little something to bring it, to the outside of the page, just to, I don't know, fill the space a little bit more. I think I'm going to move one of those dots up there. Yeah, I'm going to move that to the inside of the hexagons. I felt like I didn't really want it to go outside that. And then after I've done that, I don't know that I do anything else really, y'all. This didn't have, I keep looking at it thinking, should I add something else? But honestly, I like the hexagons. I like the washies, and so I leave it alone. So here's our layout. I try to make sure you can see that little sticker there. So thank you so much for watching. This one didn't take me too long other than the clunky little big shot I got to move around. So make sure you check out the playlist and give everybody some love. Here's some little close-ups. And, yeah, I hope y'all have a great day. I'm going to try to catch back up. We'll see you next time. Bye.